we'll guide you through how to install the ChatGPT desktop app. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official OpenAI website. Once you're there, navigate to the ChatGPT section. Look for a download button or link that says Download Desktop App or something similar. Click on it to start the download process. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file to begin the installation. You might see a prompt asking for permission to install the app. Go ahead and click Yes or Allow. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions by clicking Next a few times. Once installed, you can find the ChatGPT app in your Applications folder or on your desktop. Open the app, and you'll likely be prompted to log in with your OpenAI account. Enter your credentials and log in. If you're new to ChatGPT, you might need to create an OpenAI account first by clicking on Sign Up and following the prompts to register. Once logged in, you can start using the ChatGPT app right away. It offers a streamlined interface for interacting with the AI directly from your desktop without needing a web browser. This makes it super convenient for quick access and use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.